Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Combat Craig. Today we're talking about the 2024 VA COLA increase. We're on COLA watch, folks. So another program has implemented a 6.2% cost of living adjustment increase, and that is the DEA program, aka Chapter 35 benefits. So we already have VR&E in place. And by the way, the Chapter 35 one went into effect October 1st. So go check your check, and you'll see that you have an increase. 6.2% cost of living increase for the DEA program. Let's look at what it used to be until a couple days ago, and then what it's going to be for 2024, which is in effect now. So here's the past rates for 2022, 2023, that fiscal year, Chapter 35. This is for the Survivors and Dependents Educational Assistance, DEA. This is for your dependents. So the rate last year was $14.01 for each full month. And then if we pop over to the new rates here, the 2024 rates, you're going to be at $14.88 for each full month. So that's a pretty good bump. 6.2% for this program is good. I certainly hope that our VA disability compensation and a lot of our other things that are tied to COLA, that, by the way, is going to be announced on October 13th. So that's coming up. Stay tuned. I will make sure and give you the update there. It's trending lower, but this is encouraging. We never know what exactly is going to happen, no matter what all the bean counters say, until it actually happens. So I'm staying positive and optimistic, because being negative is easy, and I've done that for most of my life. That's kind of my whole deal now. Don't be negative, be positive. Don't lose your claim. Figure out how to play the game and win your claim. I wanted to bring you this update. If you're in the Chapter 35/DEA program, go check your check, because you just got a bump of 6.2%. If you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn more about the VA claims process, check out my boot camp. And all veterans benefits all fluctuate based on your VA disability rating. If you want a higher rating, you need to prove it with medical evidence. If you can't get medical evidence, hit up my med team. There's an email address in the description. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.